The Mercedes-Benz E-Class W211 E-Class from 2002 to 2009 is a testament to Mercedes-Benz's commitment to luxury, performance, and innovation. This Benz E-Class W211 requires attentive care to maintain its elegance and performance, especially as the miles accumulate. This guide dives deep into the common issues and essential maintenance procedures to keep your high-mileage W211 running smoothly and turning heads for years to come. Common issues: navigating the potential pitfalls. While the W211 is a robust machine, certain areas can become prone to issues as the odometer climbs. Here's a breakdown of the common culprits. Engine, oil leaks. The valve cover gasket and oil cooler seals are frequent offenders, leading to unsightly drips and potential engine damage if left unchecked. Balance shaft gear wear. This affects early M272 and M273 engines, potentially causing catastrophic timing chain failure. If your engine rattles on startup, this could be the culprit. Turbocharger issues, diesel variants. Loss of power or unusual noises could indicate problems with the turbocharger actuator or intercooler leaks. Transmission, conductor plate issues. The 722.6 transmission's conductor plate can malfunction, causing erratic shifting, harsh gear changes, or even leaving you stranded in limp mode. Fluid leaks. Keep an eye out for leaks around the electrical connector, as this can lead to transmission damage. Valve body wear. Slipping between gears, delayed engagement, or harsh shifts, especially in high-mileage vehicles, might point to valve body wear. Electrical, battery drain. A faulty signal acquisition module or command system can drain your battery, leaving you with a no-start situation. Sensotronic Brake Control, or SBC. This advanced braking system can be a costly gremlin. Be prepared for potential premature wear or failure, requiring expensive replacement. Lighting issues. Xenon headlight ballasts and taillight circuit boards are known to fail, dimming your driving experience. Suspension. Airmatic suspension failures. Uneven ride height, excessive bouncing, or a harsh ride can signal problems with the air struts or the compressor. Control arm. Bushing wear. Clunking or squeaking noises, especially when going over bumps, often indicate worn control arm bushings. Sway bar links. These are prone to wear and tear, contributing to a less precise and comfortable ride. Body. Rust. Pay close attention to the wheel arches, underbody, and rear subframe mounts, as these areas are susceptible to rust, especially in harsh climates. Water leaks. Blocked sunroof drains can lead to water intrusion, damaging your interior and potentially causing electrical problems. Maintenance procedures, the key to longevity. Proactive maintenance is crucial to keep your W211 running strong. Here are the essential tasks. Essential maintenance, engine oil and filter. Use high-quality synthetic oil and replace it every 7,500 to 10,000 miles. Transmission service. Change the transmission fluid and filter every 40,000 miles to ensure smooth shifting. Brake fluid. Flush. Flush the brake fluid every 2 years to maintain the health of the Sensotronic Brake Control system. Suspension inspection. Annually inspect the air struts, bushings, and control arms for signs of wear and tear. Coolant replacement. Replace the coolant every 5 years or as recommended by Mercedes-Benz. High mileage recommendations. Preemptive SBC replacement. Consider replacing the SBC unit before it fails, saving yourself from a potentially expensive roadside breakdown. Airmatic compressor and struts. Be prepared to replace the air compressor and struts as needed to maintain optimal ride quality. Rust proofing. If you live in a region with harsh winters or coastal areas, rust proofing is a worthwhile investment to protect your W211 body. DIY tips. Empowering the enthusiast. For the hands-on owner, here are some DIY maintenance tasks that can save you money and provide a sense of accomplishment. Oil leak repair. Replacing the valve cover gasket is achievable with basic tools and patience. Brake light switch replacement. A faulty brake light switch can cause shifting issues. This inexpensive part is located under the brake pedal and is relatively easy to replace. Transmission connector plug. Address transmission fluid leaks by replacing the connector plug. A simple and affordable fix. Sunroof drain cleaning. Use compressed air or a flexible snake tool to clear blocked sunroof drains and prevent water damage. Battery replacement. The secondary battery for the SBC system is located under the rear seat. Replacing it yourself can save you a trip to the dealer. Important note: while DIY maintenance can be rewarding, always consult your owner's manual and reliable online resources before tackling any repairs. If you're unsure about a procedure, it's always best to seek professional help. The Mercedes-Benz W211 E-Class is a remarkable machine that can provide years of driving pleasure with proper care. By understanding its common issues and adhering to a diligent maintenance schedule, you can ensure your high-mileage E-Class continues to deliver the luxury, performance, and refinement that Mercedes-Benz is renowned for. Upgrade your classic Mercedes car radio with Bluetooth. The Gizmo Guy gadget seamlessly integrates with your factory fiber optic command system, allowing you to stream music and make hands-free calls in crystal-clear CD quality. It's easy to install. Just plug and play, with no static or hissing. Available at gizmoguygadgets.com.